Good afternoon everyone! Happy Saturday! Nandito tayo ngayon sa South Bank. Madalhin natin ang ating mga girls guys. Mag-swimming kami kasi it's a nice sunny day. Oh, the train! Look at that, Baba! Choo-choo! Say hi! Where are you going?
Swimming.
Swimming! Ang daming tao. Sabi ni Daddy Mike kanina, punta kami dito mga 10 o'clock. Ay, nag-sleep in man kami guys. So, hindi kami nakapunta dito. So, ngayon, 12 something na ng hapon. Ay, ang daming tao. Good luck. Ay, nakakainit guys. Kaya si mami nyo ay nakawaway si mami today kasi, update pala. So, it's been 6 days since our pick away laser. So, ayan na yung ating mukha guys. Obviously, nag-peel na yung scarring. Ayan. So, medyo nag-clear na siya. So, ang ating pimples ay nandyan pa rin.
Hi guys! I'm so excited. Ow!
Ang daming tao guys. My God. Look! Oh wow! Tignan nyo guys. Parang nag-holiday kami. Oh, diba? Gandang-ganda ng ating view dito sa Brisbane guys. Parang tourist lang kami. And Daddy Mike is there. Oh. Sa Ate Paris. Ito yung change nila. Hindi to ganito before eh. Oh my God, it's so hot. Anak ko, put some sunscreen before na ha. Naglagay na naman kami ng sunscreen guys sa bahay pero more sunscreen won't hurt. This way anak! Stay here. Si mami nyo ay dito sa gilid. Gilid-gilid. Put some sunscreen, okay?
Where is it?
Lane? Laney? Look at Lane's face, alright?
Daddy, can you take off my clothes?
Take off your shirts. You do it, buddy.
I can't.
You're grown up.
It's a little hard to get off. How can I do it?
Keep your shorts up. Keep them on.
What?
Keep your shorts up.
This?
Yeah.
Is that the show or is that my house? Can I sit down here? I made my sandwich machine. Sandwich machine. I brought my Dad, look what I found. I found it.
Daddy, it looks like we're on holiday.
Huh?
It looks like we're on a holiday.
I'm not ready for that.
We live on a holiday.
Ate, di ikaw,
They had the crews lined up yesterday past the server. I was like, there's going to have two
Tell
crews.
Tita tayo ba ng sabaw?
So wait for the big game now and work them out.
Ano te, sunscreen today.
Then today,
Ate,
sorry, last night, at the end of the day, he'd gone home and he was about to go to bed. Got a call. The alternator died on the big ferry. So he went down to try and fix that. All the 24-hour places, no one had an alternator. So he had to wait until the morning until they opened up. Went down, they changed over from the small alternator to the big one. So they could release operate the big one.
Joy, planda. Daddy, stay on this side please.
Whatever.
Si mami nyo guys ay hindi talaga nakadala sa mga ganyan. Guys, yung swimming, ang tagbukid. Hindi naman ako taga-bukid guys. Kasi yung bahay namin sa Pinas is talagang harap lang yung bata. So maybe I've done earn my share na sa ligo-ligo or ganyan. Bata pa ako, so sobrang itim talaga guys. Kaya pag hindi dinala ni mama ng bunal, ay hindi talaga umuwi ng bahay. Hindi uuwi ng bahay pag hindi pinulalan. Hindi kasi extra care din tayo sa ating test lock guys this time. Kasi yun naman natin bumalik yung last na ating mga sandang. Dala ako ng coconut water. Ano ba? Ang tawag ko na nangagat? Alam niyo yung last time kami, Daddy Mike, just before my birthday, di ba, pumunta kami doon sa ano, yung casino. Kita ko sa inyo. Sa taas. Yung building na yan, oh, dyan kami, Daddy Mike, kaya kitang-kita yung dito sa baba.
Sambo! I made Sambo.
Did you? Oh my God. Let's go now.
Gonna get the chocolate pancakes, yeah,
Yeah, we'll get the chocolate pancakes. Yay! Kailangan namin gamitan ng fix to guys.
I
Otherwise,
think get off that like that because you'll get the sand all over.
no, no, we don't want sand. No.
Yeah, once it off.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Max Brenner. Hopefully, open sila. So, mag-ice chocolate tayo, guys. Huh? Ice chocolate?
I want to go down.
Okay, good idea. Oh, careful. Look, got a train. Train. Wow. We should get on that train. Where's the stop? Let's go.
Let's go to the
Yeah, we can. Diyan tayo pupunta. We'll see.
Right here.
Okay. The aircon is broken. We have not come out. So.
Right here, up.
Huh?
Right here.
This is perfecto. Kita.
We can sit here for the whole time.
Yeah.
Were you scared of Corella when you were a baby?
I'll never look at that book, Corella.
What did Daddy used to say to you to make you scared?
Corella. Remember we said you have the Corella ring?
Yeah. Oh yeah, like
You
that.
remember?
Yeah.
No.
Good.
Like this.
Do you remember that, Mommy?
Of course I remember. What happened?
It's a chocolate shop.
Okay. Mama will cuddle you.
It's a chocolate shop. Look,
Yeah.
see?
I can see it.
Where?
Behind me.
Behind you. It's not that one. It's that one over there. Daddy,
Yeah.
it's that one over there behind you. It's behind you, Daddy.
Okay,
Can I have a
let's see
chocolate pancake, Daddy?
Pretty cool.
Dad, can I have a chocolate pancake? Look at
Sure.
that.
I just got ice mocha for that.
Daddy, it's behind you. This new one, Ozzy wants. Great, Ozzy. I know you want to go on the snow thing to look at it.
You love that type of stuff, ain't Daddy?
Sweet. Let me see. Let me see. Chocolate pancake.
Oh, Baba. There's no chocolate pancake man lang.
My daddy said there is.
It's, say, pancakes maple.
What else is there? There might be chocolate something else.
The croissant chocolate.
How Daddy's hand, Daddy?
What do I eat now? I want chocolate pancakes.
It is, maple pancake, ate.
Hey everybody, my name is Powers, and we are at Max Brenner. Is it Max Brenner?
It is,
And
60.
I have my squishy here. So we're just ordering now, so say hi, Mommy.
Hi.
So we are so excited for food. I'm getting a chocolate croissant. And I'm so happy to try it because I've been trying it so very long.
Is it good? Not good. Is it?
Probably about 7 out of 10.
that at Tommy's?
Come Mama Charlie? Wow, do you want to get on that one?
Why don't you go on it one day with Dom? He goes on it all the time.
Oh, thank you. Excuse me, my love.
Pancakes.
Thank you. Awesome, thank you. Yeah, look at this. Naong salan, oh, tangtang bungkus. Uy, anak ko.
That's yours.
Kinamot naman diretso.
Plain, that's
Anak.
yours. That's Nutella. I love Nutella.
Alam pungag.
I love you. I love your blood. I love your blood. Huh?
Ala, ang buhay sa on her face already. Daddy,
Lane, come on, don't be silly. Eat it properly.
eat it properly, Lynn. Look at here lang. Both of you. Lini, Ali. Lini.
Yeah, there's knife and fork if you want. Look. Blue shoes.
Oh yeah, so and it's just not covered to get it set in.
Tingnan niyo, oh, punong-puno ng tsokolate.
Goodbye. Nutella's on there. Hey, it's mine.
A few moments later.
$115, guys. Give me my phone, Daddy.
115.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Which mango is this, Daddy? Calypso?
No, something else.
Yung pa-outfit ko today, guys. Bye. Fruit stand. Parang fruit stand lang ang peg ni mami niya. Sorry, I messed her way back when she took What's wrong? Is it coming off?
I want you to hold back with me. I didn't know you were going to do this.
Kanina, guys, nandun kami sa South Bank. Hindi pa talaga sana namin planong umuwi. But, after naming magpunta ng Max Brenner, so, ice chocolate, di ba? Ang ating baby si Lynn. Actually, napansin na namin to nung maliit pa siya, guys. Kapag nasobrahan siya ng milk, nagsusuka siya. And then, recently, it's happening again. So, kanina, after niyang uminom ng ice chocolate kasi may milk yan, ininom niya ng mabilisan. Ang ating daddy ay nagluluto na ng dinner. We're having some salmon for tonight. Habang nagluluto siya, kaya yung ginawa niya. Tinanong niya kung gusto ko ng tea na walang sugar. Kasi kagabi, ginawa niya ako ng tea, guys. Sabi ko, bakit matamis? Ayoko ng tea na may sugar. Dapat ano lang, milk lang.
Are you ready for the ultimate cinematic emoji challenge?
That's enough. Thank you, Daddy.
Rules are very simple. Those who left comments
Which teas? This one, Daddy?
giveaway for you. Leave your
Royal Elixir. Premium quality tea.
hit subscribe now.
Wish
Select
breakfast.
the emoji guessing
Is this the one we received from
Someone, yeah.
someone? Yeah, I think this is from,
Can you name the movie?
I don't know, Tita or Tito. Sa Christmas, guys. Sobrang lakas ng ulan sa labas, guys.
I cut mine.
Yung bintana sa kwarto, hindi ko talaga yung kina-close, para fresh air ba. Ay sos, huli na. Pupunta ko ng kwarto, guys, kasi nung na-realize ko na sobrang lakas ng ulan,
Can you cut mine?
basa na yung bed.
Can you cut mine?
I'll cut yours.
Pwede. Basa na yung bed, yung mga unan na loob. So nilalagay ko ngayon sa dryer para sa bed ko makatulog tonight.
Cut the back. Cut the back. Cut the back.
Tinignan ko kanina sa weather forecast, guys. For the rest of the week, maulan siya. So, ang New Year ay maulan.
Look at that.
Look at them. Take it to the rack. Take it to the rack. Take it to the rack.
Hindi kan sa'yo.
Ate, Alini?
Got you got it.
The corn is sweet.
You good?
I tried it. I tasted it.
You?
Your friend's gonna come. Your friend's gonna come. Then your friend's gonna come, Mama.
Victor has been in our house for
1 week.
No. I was this last week.
all December.
Oh yeah.
Ate Paris lost her tooth again, guys. The bottom one.
Actually, I like this one.
Want to try some sauce? You know what sauce this is, that? This one is?
Tzatziki.
Kebab.
I've tried it before.
Hmm?
I tried it before. I don't like it.
Garlic sauce.
Yeah. Let's go close. Thank you.
You're welcome, babe.
I want some water.
Just tell me what kind of nut butter.
I want water.
Okay.
Hey, Mama. Mom, we're still there. First.
Give that to Ate.
Mom, where's my lid?
I have to find it, baby.
Can I try the cheese now? I don't like this one.
Give it up.
I want this one.
Okay, that's why
Swap.
I give that to Ate.
Never mind. I don't want it to fill up while I'm drinking. Mom. Mom. That one is broken.
It's okay. You can still drink.
What is that?
That's my salmon.
Is it anything?
No.
Daddy.
Pan fried though.
Daddy.
I don't use it fry.
Daddy. If
Mm-hmm.
you're like 3-year-old and you drink water and you drink it so fast and so much, like too much,
Yeah.
you might vomit.
Mm-mm.
Because that's what Selena did once. She vomited everywhere.
There's only milk.
Yummy Lane?
Water.
No,
Water
Daddy,
is fine.
I stopped vomiting from the shop. Once
Okay.
when you're swimming. Once Selena did 3 whole, like this, like that much water, that much, 3 of them drinking it so fast.
You see?
She's there over there.